Hi. I'm Udoy Hassan, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to deploy an Apache 2 web server on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So, let's get started. First connect to your server using SSH, then run sudo apt update command in the terminal to update the package lists for available software packages. Now let's install Apache 2 by running the command sudo apt install Apache 2 in the terminal. Now, let's visit our server's IP in the browser to verify. If you see this screen, then congratulations. Apache 2 is successfully installed on your server. Now, let's update our domain's DNS record with our server's IP. I've used the domain name apache.linux.tech, but you can use any domain you want. Now, if we visit the domain in the browser, it will show us the default server welcome page. So, we need to configure our domain. To configure our domain, we need to create a configuration file inside the /etc/apache2/site available/folder. Now, we need to edit the configuration file. Here the server name is our main domain name, and server alias is for any secondary domain. I don't need server alias for now, but if you want to serve www.yourdomain.com with the same content as yourdomain.com, then you can keep it. Here the document root indicates the folder where you have put your custom code files. Now, let's create a custom index.html file inside the document root. Now, let's visit our site. Congratulations! We have successfully deployed Apache 2 web server and configured a custom domain name. Now, let's secure our server by configuring the firewall. Finally, let's recheck our site to check if it is working perfectly. I've shared my blog link in this video description. In that link, you will find all the commands that I've used in this video. If this video helps you, then like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching.